Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burger mayonnaise. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. For the oil, have 1 cup of a neutral-flavored oil, like canola or grapeseed, ready. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. These fresh components are key to a delicious homemade condiment. Now, let's start building our mayonnaise base. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your single egg yolk, the 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and the 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Whisk these 3 ingredients together very vigorously. You want the mixture to become well combined and slightly pale in color. This crucial step ensures a stable foundation for the emulsification process that follows. This next step is the most important for success. Begin to slowly drizzle your 1 cup of neutral oil into the egg mixture, literally drop by drop at the very beginning. It's vital to whisk constantly and vigorously with your other hand. As the mixture starts to thicken and emulsify, you can gradually increase the oil stream to a thin, steady flow. Patience here prevents your mayonnaise from breaking. Congratulations! Once all the oil has been incorporated, your mayonnaise should be beautifully thick and creamy. Now, it's time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add a little more salt if needed, or perhaps a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Transfer your delicious homemade burger mayonnaise to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your fresh creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.